Hello, everyone. Welcome once again to one of our issues of AEQ Tech Chats. My name is Henrikas. I'm Area Sales Manager here in AEQ. I'm in charge of Middle East, Africa, and CIS countries. And today I'm very pleased to introduce one of our, let's say, closest people that I used to work here in the broadcast industry since I began almost 4 years and a half ago. And his name is Henrikas Surplys. He's from Lithuania, and he's a system engineer working in the company of Lithuania, TVC, which is nowadays one of the biggest TV and broadcast system integrator in the Europe and also worldwide. Regarding your company, I will make a small introduction, okay? I believe you can continue after that. So for those who don't know TVC, probably you do. It's one of the biggest integrators for TV and TV and audio equipment. They are specialized in OB bands delivering, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Yes, the good Obi-Wans, I need to say.
Good Obi-Wans, exactly, the good Obi-Wans. Now you are part of the Broadcast Solution Group based in Germany. But as we all know, you're still working, nowadays you work in a separate way, like an independent way. So if you want to tell us more about your professional task, and it will be very interesting to know about your background.
So TVC is working almost working, doing the good job almost 30 years. And I'm the part of that, something like 7 years already. So have a little bit of experience. I'm leading audio in our company. So I have some background and something to tell and some experience to share.
Mm-hmm.
And we working with AEQ, I don't remember, but actually history with AEQ reach, I think, at least 10 years, TVC and AEQ.
If I'm not mistaken, it was really not easy to catch you up because you are moving from one project to the other. So right now you are coming back from, if I'm not mistaken, from Kazakhstan, right?
Yes. Last week I was in Kazakhstan. Before I was in Uzbekistan. I hope to move maybe to Georgia this year and to Uzbekistan maybe again. I mean, traveling a lot. I tried AEQ stuff on Lithuania to see if it's actually good. So I like it. Within the price point, I really like it. So we started to continue. One of the argument in user friendliness, try to configure Ravenna or ES67. Then you have no experience. You're done. You're stuck. Try to configure that. It's easy. It's very easy.
Yeah.
So if the user, maybe to call it that way, if user is not the most advanced, Dante is still better thing to use, and AEQ is based on Dante completely.
Yeah, that was one of the reasons, because we truly believe that Dante is, let's say, it integrate a lot of brands, and time demonstrated us that that's true. So now we have, as you know, as all the audience know, that Dante has a very big portfolio of brands, and a lot of manufacturers support this protocol, and we are really, really happy and pleased to be part of the Dante portfolio. Okay, and obviously that help us to grow and to find new customers. Okay, and if you could highlight some of your experience with our equipment in terms of integration, what can you say positive about it, or what's your experience?
What we tried to integrate recently, AEQ Intercom system, which I really liked. It was very easy to configure, to prepare. I was expected to be. I opened and connected everything without, of course, reading the manual and expecting that I will stuck in that place. But it was like straightforward. Okay, I need to do that. Most likely, I need to do that. Okay, it's working. It's working. I mean, it was super easy. And I need to mention that it was integration, but it was Intercom integrated in one of the radios, where the intercom panels was used to talk to from DJ side to individual headphones and speakers of every guest. So you can just press button and like talk to everyone, or you can just say to some of the guy, just shut up and don't speak about that. And it was like integrated everything over Dante. So you just press and talk to anyone, anywhere. And in addition to that, we took a few smartphone licenses. So yes, anyone can reach the technician from the panel directly to his phone. So it was super, press button and go.
I would like to ask you, as you are an expert in intercom, and I really know that you really like to compare the features, the software interfaces of several brands and several different manufacturers. In your opinion, do you think that we are moving in that direction to offer this kind of solutions? For example, panels to work like an IP on the phone instead of a rack-mounted unit or a tabletop unit. Do you think that with the remote production and all this stuff that's happening, do you think that in terms of intercom, because I really love it, do you think that the market is moving in that direction?
You mean like having intercoms on telephones and smartphones?
Yes, I mean to integrate this kind of IPPs and this kind of interfaces in the intercom.
You need to do that, but maybe I'm kind of old school and I still believe in physical buttons, lavaliers, and so on. So if I can press and feel that I pressed and it's working, I feel much safer and better.
You feel that is more reliable?
Yes, for sure.
But yes, it's true that more and more people are demanding this kind of sometimes just to like a backup, and all that to have this kind of backup for the phones. But yes, I believe so. Yes, I also think that in the future you will still have many customers, professional customers, expecting some more reliable, let's say, hardware. Okay.
Yeah, it's like an addition. Yes.
And in terms of, for example, in terms of mixers, what would you say good, and also things that we are doing good, and also things that we can improve in terms of mixers? Talking about AEQ mixers.
Dante is very easy to integrate. Forum is kind of modular thing, so you can add cards in like what you need in small. Like you don't need to add like 8 channels of microphones, then you need only additional 4, so it saves something. It's still quite small format. What I like is from your mixers, what I really like is forum split, which is like a core can be in the racks and you have only console.
Yeah.
So that I really like. And to as I said, I expect someday to see motorized faders.
Oh yes.
But you already have Atrium. So
we have Atrium, yes.
Yeah, so I have not only saw it on exhibition at IBIS, but I have no personal experience. So I'm looking forward to check how it is. But first impression was good. For those commentator units, they're good.
Yeah.
You need to. I mean, you need to mention that.
We need to mention. Okay, I forgot to mention. Yes. Honestly, we in the company we are really proud of this last unit, the Olympia 3. It's one of our main, let's say, business directions because, as you know, as I mentioned, I used to mention it always. So as we work for many years with the Olympics, it gives us a lot of knowledge and experience and the proper feedback in order to bring, the proper thing, the proper thing. And also, by the way, this last one, as you know, is based on Dante also. So
yes,
once again, it can be integrated in the Intercom solution. So yes, it's a very flexible.
And I need to mention that if you are buying Olympia, please consider buying Intercom from AEQ to have full potential.
Yes, of course, you can integrate it. Yeah. That's the one of the good things, and I think it's always now a pipeline in order to try to and get it done to integrate all our equipment in the same network, based on Dante or not based on Dante, but yes, to try to integrate it. Yes, that's always in the pipeline of AEQ R+D department for sure. Okay. One last question. When is your next trip? Where are you traveling next? What's the next?
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know yet?
I don't know yet. Let's say I don't know yet. I expect it, as I said, Uzbekistan, maybe Georgia.
Your boss probably knows, but you don't know.
Yeah, maybe most likely.
Okay. Thank you very much once again, and hope to see you soon.
See you soon.